Hey gang, SkyPilot here. I've got the SG186 out finally. It's not so windy today. I've got my two freshly charged batteries. And I got my remote. Let's fly. Do a battery test. See exactly how long these batteries last for. And see what this SG186 is actually really like to fly. Because so far, yeah, she's been pretty average. My last video I talk about the camera claiming to be 1080, but sorry, even though VLC says 1080, that ain't a 1080p camera, so not too sure what's going on there. So if you're looking at buying the 106, this is the video for you. Let's go. So ready to roll. Straight up, one thing I don't like about the remote is there's no on-off button. You slide the drop downs out to turn it on and off. The trouble is, while you're configuring it, it times itself out, so you've got to then remove your phone and fold them back up and again. Let's get them up in the sky. See what's what. Stopwatch is going to be running up the top here as well, guys, so it took a bit of stuffing around. Okay, brand new battery, start the clock, SG106. Anything could happen here. So, like I said before, my other videos, guys, this thing tends to wander and have a bit of a mind of its own. As well as the screen dropping out for no explicit reason at all. So buttons on the top, I'm going to push it 3 times for number 3, and let's head out, get our recorder going. Obviously it's recording. Why is it coming back here? It's recording to my device, so get a bit of air and have a look around. I'll try not to crash this. I'll try and crash it when I put the second battery in. But at the moment I just want to fly it and see how long it lasts for. They reckon it lasts for 22 minutes, and I say, phooey. In your dreams, bucko. It's not behaving too bad down there today, but as you can see, even though you calibrate it, if you guys can see it down there, it's just flying away. Like, where are you going? Why are you going backwards? It just flies backwards for no reason. Stupid. Stupid drone. Just stay there. It's got a camera underneath, which is taking charge of its optical positioning and everything, but yeah, it's just a constant working drone. You can't just let it fly and let it sit there. As you can see, I'm not touching the controls at all, and it's just going somewhere, and the screen disappears. Like, where's it gone? So I've got to restart it again. Okay, it's back again. And of course, once the screen disappears, your recorder turns itself off, so you need to start that again. So it's a little bit buggy, a bit glitchy, so I'm just going to have to gently mother this thing so I can get my full flight time out of the battery without it crashing. I'll play around with some headless modes and some follow me modes next battery. However, I do just like to fly this and see what happens. See how long the battery lasts for. As you can see, I'm trying to go up here and it's not actually going up at all. So it's just completely stopped working. I have no idea why. There's a slight breeze here, but not much. And it's just coming back. You guys can see that. So it's only about 3 meters off the ground, if that. Right, now hover there. Hover. I'm not touching the controls, and it's just, where's it going? I think it just wants to go into that tree. Come on, SG106, you're meant to be a good drone. Oh gosh, the remote control is now beeping at me. I don't know why. Goodness me. You can see it's jumping all over the place like a stinking jack-in-the-box. Okay. Right. Let's get lower to the ground, see if that changes things. No, it doesn't. Okay. There we are. There it is. And stay. Stop. Freeze. Don't move. It certainly has a mind of its own, this thing. And it's also, look at it, it's going straight for that tree. Goodness me. Okay. Maybe it just wants to go for a fly. I'm pushing forward now and it's not really going forward. Oh, now it is. Yeah, look, I'm nah, it's gone. I'm going to lose it now, in the tree. See ya. Oh, how I didn't crash it then, I have absolutely no idea. Yeah, guys, I like the look of this when I purchased it. However, this thing's a crap drone to fly, I'm sorry. Let's change it to speed number 2, see if it slows things down a bit. I'm still recording. Oh, yeah, that's hard work. I'm not enjoying this at all. Oh, it just goes up and up without me doing anything. I just flicked the up throttle and off she went. Yeah, this is not a pleasant experience at all, guys, so yeah. If you're looking at buying this drone, maybe don't, sorry. Sorry, but it's just not a good flyer. There are a lot of other cheap sub $100 drones on the market that fly a lot better than this. Not sure how we're going for battery time. See, I'm constantly pushing it forward. It's quite frustrating. It does not fly smooth. I'm just pushing it forward gently now for a smooth flight, and as you can see from the footage, it's just going up and down and up and down, and yeah. No, now it's not going anywhere. I'm really not confident in flying this very far away from me at all. Hurry up, battery, run out. I just wanted the battery to run out so I can pump this thing up into the sky and see if it likes a little bit of altitude. Not much happening here, so cue the editing, guys. And I'll probably chuck in a bit of music while we're waiting for the battery to die. Oh hell, crikey. I'll probably run this in lots of 2, so first batch will be 1 video, so smash that bell, grab the next video, which is going to be some messing around with my second battery and doing some height checks and some distance checks and seeing how it performs. I'll do some telemetry flight as well. We've been going for about, I don't know, 6-7 minutes. Right, let's go number 3, and let's just fly down here. You look at it go, it's just, this thing's crazy. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Right. Ah! I told you this stupid thing would crash. No, I think we're running out of power. I'm just going to sit around here. This is the most crashable drone I've ever flown. I think I'll... Oh, you stupid thing. I think I'm going to say the most crashable very difficult to control. So all you can do with it is put it on, oh, stop it. I'm constantly working the gears, stop it from flying away. Even when I try and go smooth, it still just twitches everywhere. Come on, batteries, run out. I'm not enjoying this. Yeah, I'm not sure what the time is at the moment, but stopwatch is going on the screen, so... Oh, have a look at it. It's like it's got ants in its pants. Now there it goes. So I do know with these drones, when they get low on batteries, they go funky, and seeing as this thing's a funky drone anyway, I think it's going to go even funkier. I'll stick it on #1 speed and try and just sit it there. Well, it looks like the screen's still recording, so something's worked right. Look at that, it's just really, really hard to control. Oh, don't come near me. Oh, go away, go away! I'm pushing forward and it's not going forward. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to the end of our battery life now, which is pretty much the norm. Nah, there we go. Get ready to stop the clock. Stop the clock. Interesting to say the least. So yeah, there goes my screen again. Who knows? Look guys, yeah, on paper this thing looks pretty good, but in reality she's a bit of a biatcher. Yeah, a lot of work, I'm sorry to say. Hope you got a laugh out of this. As I said, it looks pretty good, this drone. 1080p. Yeah, maybe in your sleep. Anyway, I'm going to put the other battery in. I'm going to do some height testing now and see how far up she goes. Yeah, this is the shorter end in tears. It won't be mine though. Yeah. Anyways, what it is, thumbs up. Drop us a comment. If you bought this drone and yours flies differently than mine, yeah, let me know please. Yeah, I might send this one back. So, thanks for dropping in. Hey, see you in the sky. Off now.